Hello everybody and welcome back to What's in the Kitchen. So today I've got an assortment of items, and it's not going to be as long as our previous video, but you're still going to understand the main idea. So we have different ingredients today. I'm in my pajamas. I look like I just woke up because I did. So cameraman, why don't you come forward and look at our options today. So we've got pickles, pickle juice, some applesauce, some salsa verde Doritos, some bacon bits, some sliced almonds, some marsala cooking wine, and some lemonade. So we're going to blend all that together and hopefully get a good drink. So first we're going to start with the lemonade. Start it open. Oops. Some sliced almonds. Are you doing okay? Let me pay attention. Alright, let's get to the blending. Okay. That's some quality drink right there. Alright guys, so this looks pretty good. I'm excited to try it. Definitely a yummy addition to the show. We hope you enjoyed this episode, so I'm going to go ahead and try the drink. Let's get to this. It's pretty good. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. Pretty good flavors. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. See you next time. Goodbye!